Do you want to get monetized on YouTube with no YouTube experience? In this video, I will share how I got monetized in 30 days after being on YouTube for over a year. I've learned a lot, and I'm finally sharing what I've learned and what I would do differently if I was starting a YouTube channel today. Imagine getting monetized in 30 days. If you don't have any fancy gear, video editing experience, or YouTube experience, keep watching. Is it too late? YouTube is the second most visited website in the world with over 2.49 billion monthly users. Over 1/3 of the world's population uses YouTube. So you can break through. There's an opportunity for you. According to Yahoo, the creators economy is the fastest growing segment of small businesses. One of the major factors is the growing demand for authentic content from consumers. Viewers want to see more relatable content. According to the projections from Goldman Sachs, the creators economy is expected to reach around $500 billion by 2027, with a huge potential for new revenue stream. What are you waiting for? To become monetized on YouTube and join the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public shorts viewed in 90 days. But to unlock fan funding monetization, you'll need 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads, and 3,000 public watch hours, or 3 million short views in 90 days. This will allow you to have access to super, such as super chats. This will allow your viewers to send you gifts, which is basically money, but the ultimate goal is 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. That's what you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. Here are a few tips to help you get monetized on YouTube. It's not a magic pill, it's what I did and it's what I'm sharing with you. First, pick a topic and identify your niche. Over time, the YouTube analytics will be a great tool to help you identify your audience, so be flexible. You may have to pivot along the way. Hopefully your topics will be something you're passionate about. If so, it'll make it so much easier for you to grow on YouTube. Start doing this if you want to get monetized on YouTube. Start going live. Live streams are a great way to gain public watch hours. Live stream counts toward public watch hours, so it is an easy and fast way to gain the public watch hours that you need to get monetized. Also, it will help to grow your subscriber count. If you're afraid to get in front of the camera, you can do faceless live streams. But if not, the more live streams you do, the more comfortable you'll become in front of the camera. I've done over 120 live streams. Go check out my live streams on my channel. I'm a classically trained chef. My cooking live streams are tutorial style and interactive. Don't forget that people come to YouTube to learn. And if they can have fun and learn at the same time, your content will serve them. Chances are these viewers will subscribe to your channel and come back for more. So try to make content that serves people. Going live is a great way to gain public watch hours, grow your audience, and you'll be able to interact with your viewers. Start with what you have and make simple videos. Don't worry about the fancy equipment for now. Before I got monetized, I used my personal iPhone. Eventually I got a gimbal, which is a stand for my iPhone. Then I got a good quality microphone. I didn't invest in too many gadgets. You don't need to in order to go live on YouTube. But now I'm ready to take my channel to the next level, so it's time for me to invest in good quality equipment. Remember, 70% of people go to YouTube to solve problems. I am one of those people, so focus on that, not your equipment. Here's my story and how I got monetized in 30 days after being on YouTube for over a year. How I got started. My brother, who's a content creator, suggested I start YouTube. He suggested I started with cooking videos, but I decided to do family videos instead. He was right. I still share family content, but most of my live streams are based on my cooking. It is what I do, I'm good at it, and I'm comfortable in the kitchen. So it's easy for me to multitask while cooking. And in the process, I'm able to interact with my viewers. My viewers enjoy this because they can interact with me and ask questions during my live streams. My interactive cooking live streams are a huge benefit for my viewers who are interested in food. They have access to a professional chef and can ask questions just by tuning into my live streams. When I got started, I started my YouTube channel in May of 2023. but I really didn't post a lot in the first few months, so I really don't count 2023 as part of my YouTube journey. However, I started 2024 with 43 subscribers. Yes, 43 subscribers, but that didn't discourage me. Instead, my 2024 New Year's resolution was to go all in on YouTube, get monetized, and become a full-time content creator on YouTube. Don't worry about your low subscriber count. I had 43 subscribers at the beginning of 2024. It's November 26, 2024 today, and I have over 8,500 subscribers. My goal is to end 2024 with 10,000 subscribers. Wish me luck. Why I got started. I'm a classically trained chef and I've worked as a private chef for over 15 years. I was required to travel a lot for work, and after becoming a mom in October of 2023, I no longer wanted to travel and be away from my family. Instead, I wanted to still do what I love so I could be present for my daughter and care for her full time. So that is the reason why I started my YouTube channel. What I share. On my YouTube channel, I share tons of cooking videos in the form of live streams with recipes and tips, as well as content about my family and everyday life as a new mom. I've shared a lot of vlogs and videos in general with my family. Thankfully, my husband has been very supportive of my YouTube journey. Check out my videos. He's in a lot of my vlogs. His support has made it so much easier for me to focus on YouTube as a full-time content creator. Where am I today? So I'm monetized and my YouTube revenue account is positive, but that's another topic for another video. I recently posted a short about 2 weeks ago and it went viral. It's still growing. It has over 1.1 million views, so definitely go check that out. It is a short of my daughter doing her infant swim lesson. I had a short that went viral when I was not monetized, and that's okay. I only gained 1,500 subscribers from that one short. It went viral, so that's what it did for me. I wasn't monetized, so that's why it's important to get monetized on YouTube, because when you're monetized and you have viral videos, it really helps with your revenue account, but we won't get into that too much. That's another topic for another day. So I got monetized because I realized the importance of live streams and how they can really help to increase your watch hours. So I started going live in around April of 2024. But when I started going live, I would only go live about once a week. So my first live stream wasn't great. It sucked. Your first live stream will probably suck too, and that's okay. It's just par for the course, and it'll help you to become better over time. I promise my live stream sucked, but it was great content. I gained about 6 subscribers from that live stream and about 13.8 public watch hours. I noticed that my live streams, after doing live streams, I noticed a pattern. My subscribers and my watch hours started to increase. So at the start of September, I set a goal. I set a goal to get monetized by my birthday, October 4th. In September, I went live at least 5 times per week. On September 1st, the live stream I did on that date, I gained over 11,000 views, and the live stream lasted for about an hour and a half, and I gained about 124 public watch hours just by going live for 90 minutes and doing something that's familiar. So again, I did about 26 live streams in the month of September, and I gained over 1,300 public watch hours. Yes, so by my birthday, on my birthday, I met the requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program. And a few days later, I received an email invitation from the YouTube Partner Program, and I was officially monetized. Yes, I actually accomplished my goal. So you can do it too. I even cooked myself my birthday dinner the day after my birthday and went live. I didn't need the watch hours by then. I was just having fun. But during that live stream, I gained over 20,000 views and 224 public watch hours. Yes. You should go check out that video, or just to get inspiration. I'm sure you're interested, because I was surprised and I didn't need the watch hours by then, but I was like, geez, where's the 224 watch hours when I needed it? So I was just having fun, and that's the beauty of it. Have fun, do something you're familiar with, and the rest will follow. The food I cook costs money, and we're paying for it, but I'm into clean eating. I cook a lot at home, so I stream while I'm cooking. Does that make sense? I'm doing something that's familiar. I'm not going out of my way to do something that's unfamiliar or spend money on a new hobby. So I'm just doing what I love, and I need to eat. This is why I'm emphasizing doing something that's familiar to you and doing something that, is not gonna cost extra money. Does that make sense? Especially if you're just starting out on YouTube or if you're a small channel that's trying to grow, because that's what I do. I stream what I'm making for dinner, and I try to be a little bit more crafty too with the menus, because in general we just eat well at home, so why not share it and share techniques and tips and recipes with everyone else on YouTube who's interested? So yes, do what's familiar, and hopefully it's something that you're passionate about. The beauty of YouTube is people are constantly on YouTube searching for new and exciting things, and if they can learn and have fun in the process, they will return for more of your content. I suggest you go live and doing something that's familiar. You'll be more comfortable, and it will help to grow your channel, and number one, help you to get monetized faster. If you need inspiration, go and check out some of my videos on my channel, some of my live streams. Listen, they're not all the best live streams, because when I started out, they weren't the best. I left them there. I've learned from them. I grew, and I am where I am today because of the live streams. Again, that's what helped me to get monetized. You can do the same. Yeah, and if you go over there, definitely leave a comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I would love, love, love to hear from you. And it's important to watch other content creators' videos too. You never know. They will probably inspire you to do better. I know mine will. No, I'm just kidding. But no, they'll inspire you, and hopefully you can learn from them, because I watch other content creators' videos too. It's important. That's how you grow. Overall, I hope this video will help you figure out the following: how you'll get started, that's important, and what equipment you'll need to start your YouTube channel. I started with my personal iPhone. I shot all my videos. I recorded all my videos on my iPhone, so you can do the same. Also, I hope this video will help you figure out when you'll get started. Will you start now or will you wait? I suggest you get started now. YouTube has over 2.49 billion monthly users, so there is something for you. Go ahead, start your channel. Don't wait. Make it your 2025 New Year's resolution. I hope this video will help you figure out why. Why do you want to join YouTube? What is your reason? My reason for starting my YouTube channel is my family. Most importantly, being a first-time mom, wanting to be present so I can care for my daughter full-time. That is my reason. Your reason will be the thing that keeps you going when it gets rough, when it gets tough. Your reason, it will be the thing that keeps you going. So whatever your reason is, you don't have to share it with anyone, but I promise you it's going to be the thing that keeps you going. And I obviously joined YouTube to also make money. I hope this video will also help you to figure out what you will share. What content will you share on your YouTube channel? Identify your niche and your audience. Hopefully it'll be something that you're passionate about. If so, you'll have fun in the process. Share what you love. I promise you'll have fun. That's what I do. I share what I love. It became that much easier by just sharing what I do, what I love, and what I'm familiar with. And don't forget to imagine where you see yourself in the next 1 to 5 years. Set some goals and dates to achieve those goals by. And do the work. Be consistent. Consistency is key on YouTube. Yes, everyone says that because it's actually true. Consistency is key on YouTube. I proved that by setting my goal at the end of September. I was able to achieve my goal. It wasn't easy, but I was able to achieve my goal because I was consistent, I was determined, and I put in the work. So after being on YouTube for over a year, I was able to get monetized in 30 days just by realizing that, hey, live streams really help towards your public watch hours. So all I did was focus on my live streams, and I was able to get monetized. And you can do the same. This is why I'm making this video, because not a lot of people talk about live streams. A lot of people talk about videos and, you know, things that maybe you aren't familiar with, things that maybe you're not good at, because if you don't have video editing skills or if you don't have experience with YouTube, that can be a little daunting. So with someone like myself who started out with no YouTube experience, with no video editing experience, I was able to get monetized on YouTube after being on YouTube for over a year. But I was able to do that in 30 days by being consistent. So this is why I'm making this video, and hopefully this will help someone who's looking for an answer and just cannot figure it out. So that's why I'm sharing this video. Go live. live streams are a great way to help you gain public watch hours. Unless you're a genius and you're really good at shorts and can get 10 million short views in 90 days, do that. If not, go live. It is a great way to help you monetize faster, especially if you're a small channel or you're just starting out. And don't forget to optimize your live stream. So once you post your live streams, for them to really count towards your public watch hours, they have to be public. And don't forget to optimize your live stream. So your live stream, they're videos, but in the form of live streams. So optimize those and also create playlists. And if you need examples, head over to my channel. I've created a lot of playlists just for my live streams alone. So go check them out. If you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. It'll help me, it'll help my channel, and this is how I'm able to bring you these videos for free. Comment below and let me know if there's any other helpful tips or anything you'd like me to cover on my YouTube journey. Is there anything you would like me to share with you? So yeah, comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And hopefully I get to meet you during my live stream, during a future live stream, because I will continue to go live. I enjoy my live streams. They're really fun. So hopefully I get to meet you. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. It was really fun making this video for you. Remember, there's only one you. Good luck on your YouTube journey. All the best, and I will see you soon. Bye.